Hi guys, welcome. This is not something you're used to see. I just installed simple screen recorder, and up here you see what I am on. So if possible, then I would advise always to keep an ArcoLinux computer around, because you can learn from ArcoLinux and learn from ArcoLinux and see. In my case, I would like to compare, is that particular application working on Arch and that particular application on ArcoLinux. So comparison with comparison, you learn. And that's all what we're trying to do here with ArcoLinux, trying to learn you Linux in general, ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux. So this is a simple screen recorder from ArcoLinux. Let's have a look. I just want to make a update video. So January the 2nd, I had this bright idea. Then 4th, 6th, the 9th, 3rd. So I jump here from January to the 9th. So keep updating, but slowly, right? Because it's not my PC. The webcam here is recording things, and it has an NVIDIA card in it as well. Not sure if I have done anything. Yep, it has been installed. So go over here, my friend. So the 440 is done, but I've never updated. Well, never is a big word. So I have updated, and the March the 9th was the last time this computer was free, and I just pop in. So we have a bay, right? A bay in the desktop. Pop out SSD from Windows, all gaming stuff from my son goes out, mine goes in, and there you have. I have a new computer now. So this is my computer. So in SS Tech you can look it all up, and it's the GeForce GTX 970 that's in here, and it's good enough for gaming. Now updating, right? So Control T is opening up on the second screen. That's cool. And then we're going to update the system. Now update is not known in ArcoLinux, so I've kept it pretty much clean, so no ArcoLinux spices there. Or ArcoLinux spices at all, no tool. And a wallpaper that changes. Well, flights have been cancelled, guys, so Alt T. It should be trash, but it's not working here since it's not my ArcoLinux, right? So I gotta tell him to trash this thing without the shortcut, so we get a nicer one. Okay, so I want to update. So sudo pacman -syiu. Let's take in the new databases. Well, it's a small amount. This is ArcoLinux, you guys. Okay, yes, you say. And that's a lot of stuff coming in, right? A lot of K stuff, a lot of K stuff. And it's all normal. It's Plasma for you. But it's also kernels in there and systemds in there. Lots of normal ArcoLinux stuff we have with other desktops as well, and GCC being a super important one. But here is my kernel. So 5510. At the time I had 5415, so I'm jumping version there. It's a minor version, I think they call it. And yeah, there are some effects that I've enabled. I've put the bar up the top. I could put it on the left, on the right, and the button. What is this? Blank or latte? It's gonna be blank. I could have installed latte, which is more, well, designed, used for, or developed for Plasma. But it's all freedom. You choose your Lego blocks you like and the setup you like with the colors you like. And at this point in time, it took a strange choice in colors, in the sense that these icons are different. I don't even see where the icons are. I mean, Surf and Arc Breeze is a normal look, but this is not a normal icon theme. So is it then somewhere else? Breeze, Plasma. That happens when you come back to a computer and say, what did I do? I don't know. I completely don't know. Somewhere in the system, these things must be enabled. I'm taking the white one. So yeah. Well, breeze cursors or cursors in general in Plasma, log out, log in, it's applied, right? So you'll see a mix of white and gray, I think now. You see here, up here it's white, here's black, log out, log in. But I do wonder where these icons are then. When I would go and play Sherlock Holmes, I would go into local, share, and inside looking for icons here, looking for themes here. Neither of these folders exists. So that's why you look for it in Plasma. Normally you would look up this level, icons and themes, nothing there as well. So I'm still wondering where they are. Applications, Dolphin, InSync, KDE, Console, Q people, key screen. I screwed something up, alright. Desktop theme, what is that? Can we see this thing? It's not what I have. But anyway, it's some kind of code in here. Desktop theme, sweet. So, sweet, you're out. Rename, move to trash. There you are. The trash has reached its maximum size. Okay. Empty trash. Alright. Get rid of it. Alright. How's my update going along? Oh, a bunch of stuff still to be downloaded. Let's do a global theme change. So from Breeze Dark, apply, to Breeze, apply, and then we get this. So at least we got rid of that. And now we go back to Plasma style. Breeze is good, application style all good, colors all good, fonts all good, icons. Surf and Arc Breeze, apply. And one more. I did not install that one. I probably can't install it because the other one is busy. Sudo pacman -s surfing. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It is. It's gonna work. That's the one I need. So did I put the repos in there? And pacman is not working. Fine, cool. So no, not the bash RC is not present. So that's the only conclusion you have to make. ArcoLinux and bash RC. So let's have a look. So I did import the repos from ArcoLinux, so that's why we can get it. So that's when you boot it up again after a month's time. So we could install the other one. If this one is finished, we can do the other one, this one, because now it's blocked. So take a look at this directory. That's where the lock is, and we have a command in ArcoLinux that says unlock, which means remove that thing. And you only do that if you're sure the lock has no reason to be there. So if you have different screens open, then of course then you're blocking yourself, right? So one screen to update things. So now I have Surf and Arc Breeze icons, which is nice as well. Gonna do something else. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Arc, I think, or KDE. Want that one as well, and that's it. So going to the we crashed. That's normal. So everything that you do now crashes, and that's super normal. Well, not everything, but this time Dolphin doesn't crash, but often Dolphin does crash, and they get this GIO things. The only thing you have to do is reboot, right? So I'm cutting the video in two. I'll have to reboot, but I could, but I can't. I could, but I can't. So I can't get to system settings. I need to reboot. See you in a bit.